Ripple is making clean energy ownership affordable and accessible for everyone. We're an online platform that enables consumers across Great Britain to part-own a large-scale wind farm or solar park and get the green, low-cost electricity that it generates supplied to their home via the grid by our utility partners. Ripple first raised on Seedrs back in 2019 when it was just a concept. Since then, we've turned our ownership model into reality. We've taken our pilot wind farm through the complete cycle from funding, construction, onto savings on its owner's electricity bills, with another project following. We've proved we can deliver, and now we're ready to scale. We make it easy for our customers to have a real climate impact and slash their electricity bills as well. Currently, we're working with Your Co-op Energy, powered by Octopus, E.ON Next, So Energy and Unify. Our members get savings on their electricity bills automatically each month. We've funded 2 projects on the platform so far, managing £25 million of project sales. This has delivered £1.2 million of revenue for Ripple. Our first wind farm, Gregvather here in Wales, is operational and its 900 owners are getting savings on their electricity bills each month. On their dashboard, our members can see how much their share of the wind farm is generating in real time. Our second wind farm, Kirkhill in Scotland, will soon be under construction, and late next year it will start generating clean energy and electricity bill savings for its 5,600 owners. We've experienced huge growth over the last 6 months. Our second project created 10 times more revenue than the first, in a quarter of the time, and with 75% lower cost per acquisition. So what makes Ripple so fantastic?
Ripple is greener than the green tariff because our members are enabling new wind farms to be built, delivering real, tangible impact for the long term.
So Ripple is cheaper. We enable our customers to come together and access the economies of scale you get with large-scale assets. The upfront cost is around 65% lower than the equivalent home solar cost. And our customers also get cheaper electricity for the long term. We estimate around 25% cheaper over the wind farm's 25-year lifetime. Ripple is highly scalable. Our online, contact-free sign-up delivers really low cost per sale. And our fantastic marketing has delivered a really low cost per acquisition.
And Ripple is expert, enabling our members to benefit from our expertise in securing the best projects, managing the whole process through negotiating contracts, funding, construction and operations.
Well, my favourite thing about Ripple is that they do seem to be keen to be green.
It's allowing the community to get involved in saving the environment.
To me, it's important to kind of push green energy along as much as possible. Using Ripple starts taking a dent out of our dependence on gas and coal.
We're now beginning our journey to scale. Having successfully launched 2 projects on the platform, we're now gearing up to launch a third later this year. We're already seeing the effects of climate change here in the UK. People want real, tangible action on climate change, but they also want protection from soaring electricity prices. Ripple delivers both of these for households and businesses too. This is our 5th campaign on Seedrs. We have over 2,500 investors so far. Being crowdfunded as a business, just like the wind farms on the platform are, is really important for us. We're securing investment to help launch our 3rd project, and also to explore opportunities outside the UK so that we can bring Ripple's unique ownership model to consumers across Europe. We'd love you to join us on our journey to scale.